This is gonna be a review on the Dyson DC16 handheld back. It's a small compact back. It's easy to use. Suction doesn't lose suction. It's powerful, and it's a great quick pickup type of vacuum. But if you're gonna use it longer than 10 minutes, it's not recommended because it won't last more than 10 minutes. I guess it probably lasts about 15 minutes at the most. But this particular vacuum only, I think it was, is it either 15 to 20 minutes at the most, but I think it's like 10-15 minutes where you'll get no, I think it's 10 minutes. But anyways, if you guys are looking into it, you probably already know that because you'll read all the reviews. This is my review on it. I had it for like about a year. It comes with some attachments, a hose attachment. It comes with a rolling brush attachment. I mean, it's great for picking up just small job vacuums. And if you're gonna do more than 10 minutes, I'm repeating myself, it's not gonna last that long. The charging it takes about maybe a good, I think, 3 hours to charge it completely. 3 to 4, 5 hours, I'm thinking. It's great for stairs. It's good for your car. It's good for small jobs. Was pretty much what I'm trying to get at. It's nice looking. Be nice if they had one with like a cord. Ouch. Got a little pimple in my ear. Strange where pimple goes. Spring up. But it's a big fat one too. Kind of pop like a there you go. But it was a big fat one. Never, well, I had pimples in my ears, but this was pretty fat. Anyways, the Dyson DC16, short battery life, good for small jobs. If you're gonna buy one, and you plan to use it for more than 10 minutes, don't buy it. But for small jobs, it's okay. It's powerful, doesn't lose suction to the last drain of energy. It just stops on you, and that's the power of lithium-ion batteries. Would I recommend it if you're gonna just use it for small jobs? Yes. If you're gonna use it for more than like to do a whole house, no, I wouldn't recommend it. But it would be nice, like I said, if they had a corded one, you know, where small corded mini vac like that. Well, I mean, they purposely did it for like 10 minutes because the canister is only, you know, it can only fill so much, but you can't dump it out, you know, and just keep on vacuuming. So anyways, it's I would recommend it if you're gonna use it for small jobs. If you're gonna do um, a lot of vacuum, I wouldn't recommend it. So that's my review of the Dyson DC16. Hope this helped you guys make your decision to buy it or not.